Hi, my name is Jeremy and I work here at the Euclid Public Library in the Adult Services Department. I'd like to share a quick how-to video about signing up for an Indeed account. I know in the past we've had some questions about the process and I think this could be very helpful. All right, first off, you'll need access to an Indeed account, as Indeed will send you an email to verify your account. So if you're accessing the site on a home computer, it's advantageous to be logged into your email to expedite the process. All right, now we're going to go up here to the top right where it says sign in. We'll click that. And then here, we'll scroll down. It'll ask you, or it'll say, not a member, create an account for free. We'll click that. All right, now we'll enter our email address. I've created one specifically for this purpose. And then we'll click I'm not a robot. And then gives us the opportunity here after going through the reCAPTCHA. We will hit verify and then create an account. Okay, now it'll ask you whether you want to upload a resume or build a new one. For our purposes right now, we'll upload a resume. So we'll click that. And I've created one specifically for this. So we'll hit open. There we go. I'll take us to the next screen. So you're going to want to go through and just double check to make sure all the information that's here is correct and accurate. Sometimes when you upload them, the resumes, they don't necessarily come through the way you intend. So I'm just going to scroll down here where it says, do you have any of these top skills employers are looking for? And I'm going to click on a few. So because this is a customer service resume, I'm going to click on customer service. And then also, let's say live chat and computer operation. Now we're going to scroll back up here to the top where it says save and continue and click that. Now they're going to send you a link to your account to verify. This might take a second, so let's just refresh here. There we go. And we've received the reminder from Indeed to confirm our email. We'll click that and we're going to confirm our Indeed account. There we go. We're going to hit continue. All right. So if you look up here at the top right, there's a notification here. There's what looks like a bell and the number 1. We'll click that. And then we're just going to click let's begin. Okay, so now this is a new guide. All right, beginning earlier this year, Indeed has added this handy career guide to help you through this process. They've recently added this tab about COVID-19 resources that have a lot of good info. Specifically, I'd like to point out, scroll down here, under the finding a job area here, there's 2 specific areas that I think would be beneficial. One is 11 online jobs for work flexibility and how to search for remote work on Indeed. Now, this one here, how to search for remote work on Indeed, specifically references some keywords. If you're looking for remote positions, that would be beneficial to help you search on Indeed. So some of those would be like remote, work at or from home, home-based, telecommuting, or cyber commute. So I'm going to hit the back arrow here. We're going to go back, and then we're going to go to the 11 online jobs for work flexibility. So I'll click that here. It'll just reference the top 11 or the top most popular online jobs with job descriptions. So I'll just kind of scroll through here to give you an idea of what is being sought after. I'll just scroll down here to give you a quick idea of the positions that are the most popular right now. And it gives you some job duties and requirements, so it makes it a little easier for you to apply or to see if you're qualified for these particular positions. I'm going to scroll back up, and I'm going to click back. Okay. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos you'd like to see, you can use the chat box on our website. Thanks for watching.